Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto Shrine, SJDM, Bulacan. Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto Shrine is a Roman Catholic pilgrimage site in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Philippines. The shrine was established on February 11, 1965, by Horacio Guanzon and Anita Gadot Guanzon, whose family had it donated to the Diocese of Malolos on July 20, 2024. The Guanzons started a project to build a replica of the Rosary Basilica in Lourdes, France. After the death of Anita Gadot Guanzon in 1990, the management of the Grotto Shrine was entrusted to their children, who oversaw the completion of the replica. On June 12, 2024, the Guanzon family and the Diocese of Malolos finally agreed to address the status of the shrine. The Guanzons formally donated the shrine to the Diocese of Malolos. Thank you for watching.